Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq price prediction and SPX for the intraday. We're gonna see what's happened today, what it might happen next, of course, on the 1 hour and the 15-minute chart. So basically in the morning, we said, of course, we have bottomed a 4-wave B potentially for Nasdaq. Here we are looking at an A, B, and a C for a wave 3. I think I already put a count here, but it was not saved. I think so. Here we go. So we have an ABC for a wave 3 to finish a zigzag, right? For a wave 3 inside the blue zone here between the perfect fib level. And yeah, so we have started also a new impulse right now after a correction ABC for the wave B perfect hit 0.38. That would be much more than enough, of course, to unfold the next wave C and to finish, of course, a wave 3 in this leading diagonal. So basically, on the 15-minute chart, we are looking right now at a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. This is only, of course, your wave 1 that it might unfold. Of course, we're still looking for 4 and a 5, wave 1, and then having wave 2, of course, and then, of course, continuation for 3, 4, and a 5 for higher prices. So basically, everything is still on the right path. We don't have anything new, and we are still in this recovery phase, which it might be the leading diagonal. Nothing has shown up something like against it or something, yeah, not convenient with this scenario. Let's take a look as well at the SPX. So we have, of course, the same. That's perfect. So basically, we have the A, B, and a C. Potentially, the wave A is done. It can be, of course, internally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see it on the 15-minute chart. A very small wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and potentially A, B, and a C can be possible, guys. Or it can be as well 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Meaning this wave A can be still looking for wave 5 here. Yeah, so very also possible to get a little bit aggressive, I would say, wave 3 here. Yeah, so we might see a little bit much more aggressive leading diagonal in this case scenarios. This is what the wave A shows right now. So we might get a little bit higher now. Basically, those fib levels are taken, of course, based on this high, but I believe that one more high to show a clear 5 ways up would be much more nicer, yeah, for this case scenario. And in this case, it's gonna lead, of course, to a wave 3, maybe a little bit much more aggressive than we think. So that is a good signal as well. Unless, of course, we are moving for the 1-to-1 fib level. We don't want to see this again. Okay, so we don't want to turn this into a corrective wave as 3 ways up for A, 3 ways down for B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We want to see a zigzag here and not 5 ways up. We don't want to see, of course, the 1-to-1 fib level taken. We want to stay in this area here to start, of course, unfolding this leading diagonal, because it is the only way to move toward the upside. Otherwise, everything will turn into correction. You don't have a start of an impulse. This is a problem. If you have a start of an impulse, 1, 2, then okay. But you have 3-wave corrective, which is a zigzag. Therefore, the only possible way to move in a bullish scenario is the leading diagonal, and we don't want to break it, right? So right now it is unfolding, of course. So we're gonna see, of course, what's gonna happen next, guys, until something really interrupting the scenario. I cannot add anything more than this, guys. So I would like to tell you, trade safe and have a nice eve as well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.